right from the beginning of this trial to today, I have not been treated fairly at all by the judge. And I'm saying that because I have written a petition to the Chief Justice on this. So I'm not speaking out of a vacuum. And it's recorded, it's documented. And when I wrote a petition to the Chief Justice and I enumerated all the instances of biasness, abuse of my human rights, denying me legal representation, and all the instances, and even the right to even visit the washroom, and the judge at times engaging me as an accused in court when I'm a witness, engaging me instead of the prosecutor engaging me, the judge is engaging me at times. For even at times, my lawyer had to come and say, "You are engaging the witness." With all this and the petition I wrote, it's clear that in the mind of the judge, I'm already a convicted person, and I'm just going through the motion. And I stated it in my petition, so it's not something I'm concocting from anywhere. And when I wrote the petition, I didn't write it as a secret document. I copied her, so she knows what I'm saying is a fact. And I even stated it in the court before her. And I've not minced words, because the scale of justice has been tilted against me. And I had to fight for my liberty, fighting the executive arm of government and fighting the judiciary too on top. It was all demonstrated as a clear sign of ineptitude and incompetence on the part of the Attorney General in presenting this case to the court. In fact, the evidence they brought were evidence that were very, very irrelevant. Attorney General came to court purely on political convenience and mischief to imprison Honorable Atuforsen. And this stemmed from the e-levy. It stemmed from the e-levy because Honorable Atuforsen was a ranking member for NDC in Parliament. And he was giving them headaches. He was frustrating and being meticulous on the figures that Ken Ofori-Atta was bringing to Parliament. So on the insistence of Ken Ofori-Atta, they decided to charge Atuforsen in order to intimidate him, to soften him in Parliament, so that he doesn't peruse and be too critical on the things that Ken Ofori-Atta brings to the Finance Committee. But in doing so, they realized that it will become too obvious that this is a witch hunting. So, well, let's add the agent of the supplier to it, to mask it and deceive Ghanaians and let it look as if it is not a witch hunting. It is a crime that they've all committed.